Hey everyone! Today we're looking at Alien Power Cleaner, a cleaning product that promises exceptional stain removal and surface cleaning capabilities. This cleaner is marketed with bold claims about tackling tough stains, grease, and dirt that other products can't handle. The cleaning product industry includes many items with dramatic marketing claims, making careful evaluation important. When assessing cleaning products, ingredient safety, effectiveness for intended uses, and environmental impact are key considerations. Legitimate manufacturers provide ingredient lists, safety data sheets, usage instructions, and realistic performance expectations. Look for EPA registration numbers, safety certifications, and clear warning labels where appropriate. Red flags include unrealistic cleaning claims, missing safety information, or lack of company contact details. Customer reviews should describe specific cleaning successes and any limitations experienced. Price comparisons with established brands like Simple Green, Formula 409, or OxyClean help determine value. Always test new cleaners in inconspicuous areas first and ensure adequate ventilation during use. Quality cleaning products work effectively without requiring excessive amounts or multiple applications. What cleaning products have surprised you with their effectiveness? Share your recommendations in the comments.